Hello everyone and welcome for today's video tutorial. In this video, we will learn how to use Google AdWords for lead magnet. In order to create a campaign, what we're going to do is we're going to click on the Campaigns tab on the left panel. From here, we will be able to create a new campaign. So we will click this plus button to create our new campaign. Today, we're going to look at leads as the goal for this campaign. Then we're going to create a search campaign and we're going to select lead form submissions. Then continue. And now we're going to our campaign settings page where we can fill up all the details regarding this campaign. So we can start giving the details over here. Then we're going to target only the search network for now. So I'm going to unselect display network option. We also get some more option settings over here. Like we can give the start date and the end date of this campaign. So we will do that. So we can pick any end date for this. And we also get an option to set up our campaign URL, wherein you can put a tracking template for your ads. Also, we can get an option for dynamic search. If we want to learn dynamic search, we can do it from here. Or also, you can watch our previous video about dynamic search ad. Also, you can click the settings of ad, which basically is an option wherein you can schedule your ads to run on particular days of the week. In this particular manner, we can select the days and time when you think you get the highest amount of traffic, and you can select it and schedule your ads. Then we are coming to the targetings and audience section where we can give our location targeting. We can select any country. If we want to target, we can also select a state. And also we can select a particular city. If we want to do radius acting, you can do that from the advanced search. We can also go to the advanced search and we can select our radius. And give the local area and save. If you don't want to show your hands on particular areas, you can just target them as well. And we can exclude. This will also give you some kind of location options as well, which is basically targeting people in your targeted locations or people who shows interest in those targetings. You can do this from this section. Next, what we have is the language targeting, where you can select the language of your customers on what language they speak from this list. And then we can also do the audience targeting, which is specifically selecting audience to your marketing campaign and other things which you have here. Once this is done, we are moving to our budgeting and bidding. You can give the budget for the campaign, so the amount of money you are willing to spend on this campaign in our basis. Then you can also give the bidding strategy, where you can set a bidding strategy for this campaign. Since we are looking at leads, generating campaign which we want to create, we can select a specific bidding strategy for this. So in order to do this, we can click on or select a bid strategy directly. And the most appropriate bidding strategy for this will be maximize clicks, because we want to get as many clicks as possible, which will convert into leads for us. We can also have an option to set a maximum cost per weight limit over here, which basically means that we are putting a cap on our bidding, so that the system does not go beyond a certain amount in the pursuit of getting higher numbers of clicks. So we can give the upper limit over here. Once bidding has been set, you got few more options. Like we can set up a campaign level conversion action. We can also add, which is basically a case wherein the system will try to show high performing ads more often than the other ads. After this, we are coming into the ad extensions, in which we are going to look at the lead form extensions. Lead form extension is basically an extension which shows under the ad, which gives an option for users to click on it and provide the information and fill up a lead. It's a very simple extension which has a higher probability of generating leads, so we can build that from here. As you can see, it says new lead form extension. We can click on this. And now, here we're going to design the whole lead form for our customers. So the first thing is you can select a call to action, how you want people to call, come, and perform and fill up the lead. We can give a call to action, let's say it's book now, and we can give a extension text. Here we're going to start creating the lead form. So the first thing we were asking is to give a headline. Okay, so we can give that. We can give a name of the business. And then we can give a description of it as well. Once the description has been given, we are moving to the contact information. So the questions which we want to ask to our customers. So we can pick this from here. We can also attach an image for this lead form for our customer. So we'll just pick some predefined recently used ones from the system. And we'll attach it to the form. Here we'll get multiple options to select from. Once this is done, next we are coming to the form submission page. So where you can provide the details, how it should look like. You can give a headline either or a description as well. And then you can give a call to action which you want them to visit your website. Also, you can type your URL for your website. Once this is done, you can also see the lead delivery option. Ideally, what will happen is all the leads will get downloaded and we can see it in our extension. Once this is done, we can go ahead and save our extension. So now your extension has been created and we can go ahead and save this. And that's how you use Google Ads for lead magnets. So if you like this kind of video, please click like, share, and subscribe for more videos.